Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Sunny's Computer Tutorial. As in previous lectures, we have done with the Unit 1, Session 1, 2, 3 and 4, and today we will start with a new session, that is Session 5, and it will also cover a Session 6. So, in the brief introduction of this session, this is a web page blogs, and this is for the class 9th and 10th, that is a web page blogs. This is very interesting for the students, as we all are using a social media while using the internet on our mobile phone, laptops and a computer. So I think this is very interesting topic for the educational as well as our social media. So we all are using these sites, like we all are creating a web pages. As we have created a page on Facebook also, we all are creating a Facebook pages also. We all are working with Google also, as Google is our good friend. Whenever we need to find or search anything, either a location, either a grammatical thing, we can just take our mobile from our pocket and we can search while using a Google. So I think Google in these days is our good friend, and it remains with us while connecting with the internet. So web pages can be also done by using a internet, as we all are using a data connections or a Wi-Fi connection. So web pages can be developed by using a Google. We have to create an account for that, and then afterward we can maintain a web blog pages. We also can make a websites, but there is a great difference between a website and a web blog. We will start with the web blog. So what is a web blog, web pages blog? As this is a combination of blog. Blog means web log. Blog means, blog can be defined as B-L-O-G. Blog can be defined as a web, and this is a log. Now what is a web and what is a log? Web is the internet and log is a for example, we can say that our contact information, we all are using our diaries, we all are using something personal books with us to save information of a daily record as a daily record. As for example, we teachers, we all have to create and maintain whatever we have done in our previous days, and we all plan for our future days also what we have to teach our students in our classes. So we have to maintain a log in as a diary, or we can say that daily information, we have to record it theoretically. So that is known as a log. So while combining both of these words, web and log, we can say that it is a blog. So while using this definition or combination of these two words, we can say that blog is can be said that it is a information diary which is used as recorded, which can be used as for recordation of numerous lectures or syllabus or anything. But whatever the thing which we are using to record as a personal book known as a blog. And if we use this personal diary at the web page, so that is known as a web blog. So we all are creating a web pages. This is a good thing. Blog, we all are creating a blog while using internet, and we can visit the latest blog websites are www.wordpress.com and www.blogger.com. So there are a number of sites, but both of these sites are very important, and most of the blogs can be created by using these websites. So this is a complete definition, or we can say that information about a blog. And I want to tell you there is a certain difference between a web pages or web blog and website. So what is a web blog? As we have discussed about the blog, we can create a page, or we can as a daily information diary, and we can save it at our blogs while creating a blog while creating a one by one pages. And what is a website? As blog can be generated by a single page or a 2 or more pages. And what is a website? Website is a collection of numerous pages. We can say that if we have to define a website is a collection of n number of pages. There is a, for example, we have a bouquet of flowers now. So when we are using a bouquet, in bouquet we have a number of flowers. We can say that a rose or any yellow flower or a pink. So we can say that for website we can use that example, that it is a collection of number of pages, web pages. That is a website, and blog is a collection. Blog can be described by performing a page, single page, or two or more pages. We can daily update that pages, update that blogs as per use, and we can contact with our bloggers. As a blogger, we can contact with our users, whosoever are reading our blogs and reading our updates. We have to answer the questions of that users, so that this whole thing can be provided by using a web pages blogs. So web pages blogs, for example, I am in definition, I am giving you the features also. Like while using a blogs, we can help the users by giving the answers to their questions, and they can daily update our blogs while creating the questions, and we can also update our blogs by giving the answers to the users. So this is a great thing, as I think that if we have to publish any advertisement, like we have to publish a hotel, restaurant, or we have to publish a educational website, or we have to publish for some science product, some engineering product, or a book, or anything we want to publish on our internet, we can use a web pages blogs. So this is used for the advertisement. This is used for the publishing of number of things, number of ads, number of advertisement as a media. We can say that it can be used as a media. As in, for example, if we have to give some ad in a newspaper, we have to send a pamphlets in a newspaper. Same thing like that. If we have to publish any website, we can use a blogs. So this can be described. I have also given you in the definition a number of features also of the blogs. Now we come to the how can we create a blogs. So this is the main thing. How can we create a blog? So blogs can be created whenever we are using a blogs. We can create on a web pages. So whenever we have created some blog, that blog must have been saved in our certain memory location of our computer or a laptop or a mobile phone, and that memory location may be called as a host. Wherever we have saved our blog, that particular memory management is used as a host of the blogger. Now, what is a host? Host can be created at your own PC, or we can say that host can be created at some other PC on which you are working as a server. So we can say that what is a host? We can wherever we are saving our blog, that is known as a host, and that host is further will create a DNS, domain name server. The blog, this blog can be used for creating a DNS, that is a domain name server. And what is a domain name server? Domain name server creates a domain of a particular web page, and further it will be used as a internet protocol, IP address. We can say that DNS is used as a IP address, and blogs are used for creating these hosts, DNS and IPs. So IP address is also very particular thing, but whenever we are using any website, any web page, and every web page or a website have a particular IP address. Our mobile phone, our computer, if we are doing a networking on a number of PCs in a lab, every PC should have a different IP address. So that particular IP address will further create a URL. What is a URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Whenever we have to find any website on the internet, we have to follow the URL. That is a HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. We can say that URL www.google.com, yahoo.com, anything we have to search on a YouTube or a Google, we can use a URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It must be come in your 1 mark question in your examination also. What is the full form of DNS? Domain name server. IP is a internet protocol, IP address, then it comes a URL. URL is a uniform resource locator. So these things can be used for creating a blog or a website. Whenever we have to create a blog or a particular website, we have to create these things are mandatory, we can say that. So after that, I came to the next, what is a body of a blog? If we are creating a blog, what is a body of a, what are the various options we have in a blog, or we can say that how can we create a particular blog. So in blog we have, as I have shown you in the diagram also, this is a complete blog. As at our copies also or a register we have a one page, same thing like that, there is one page, and that particular page has a header also, and that particular page has a header, footer, left sidebar, right sidebar, as we have done in we can say that on Microsoft Office also, Word or a PowerPoint or a Excel, that have a left sidebar, right sidebar, header and footer, and then in the between there is a content. Whatever the blog we are publishing, we have to write the content for the particular blog, and that can be used for creating a complete structure of a blog. So this can be done for creating a blog or a website. Website also can be used as a similar, but there is a great difference. As I have told you, the website is a collection of numerous pages, and blog can be created by using a one or two page. So this is a complete structure of a blog. After the structure of the blog, we can come to the how to make a blog or a post. Before that, I want to give you the various features. I want to tell you the various features of a blog. What are the various features? As we are using a blog, we can use a blog offline or online both. If we don't have an internet connection, we can create a blog page, and whenever we have an internet connection, then we can connect that web page with the online internet, or we can create that blog on the internet while using a Google or while using these sites www.wordpress.com or www.blogger.com. Whenever you are creating a page on a blog, that means at that time you are a blogger. And then this blogger can also be number second or third. This blogger can also be used for creating a advertisement, for education, for any event, for research, for science, for any media. We can create any website while using a web page blogger. After that, this can be used for number of persons. We can contact with a number of persons. So this also comes in a good feature of blogger, that while creating a blogger we can connect with a number of users on internet, and that particular users will will question us regarding our topic of the blogger, regarding our contact, or regarding our title of the blogger. The users can ask us a question daily, and we can answer the question to the users, so that we can say that we can interact with the user while using these bloggers. So while creating a web page blogger, we can connect with the users. Or one thing more, we can create a number of we can save number of files or folders or web pages, or we can say that videos, links, URLs while creating a blogger. So we can create whatever the post we are creating a blogger, the first post, the day when we start with a blogger, that particular page will go down and down as we are creating a new pages in a blogger. So we can say that the day we start with that particular page on a blogger will go down and down, as in Facebook when we are creating any post, that post will go down after we are inserting other posts. So whenever we are inserting new post on a Facebook or a blogger, the previous post will automatically goes down in the web page. So we can say that this is also a good feature of a internet or a blogger. So we also can say that that while using a blogger, we have to create a website, we have to create a Google, we have to create an account on blogger. We can there must be an account of a blogger. so that it comes in a security purpose, so that whenever you want to connect with the blogger, you can insert a particular login ID and password, so it helps in a security purpose of the blogger or a web page. After that, it comes up that we can answer the questions, we can do numerous things on a blogger, and we can also create a number of pages day by day on a blogger, and we can share a number of posts on a bloggers. So this all comes in a features of a blogger. Creating a post or making a post on a blogger, how can we do it? We have to start with a we have to start with a header, footer, left sidebar, right sidebar, and the content of the structure of the blogger. First thing is adding text and media. So whenever we are creating any post, as on Facebook also, so we can use same thing in a blogger also. We can create we have to add the text on the post. So what is we have to write a title or a text, for what we are using, for what we are creating a post. So we have to add the text for a title, and then we can add a media. We can choose the media from our laptop gallery or our mobile phone gallery, whatever the thing, or we can select from a Google web page. We can insert we can update the particular media or a video or a photos from a internet. So this comes, we can adding text and media. So this can be done by adding a text and a media. So while creating a post, we have to add the text and we have to add the media for a particular post on the blogger. Then adding media from the Google. How can we add the media from the Google? As on Google we have a number of videos, number of photographs for every topic, we can say that. So if we have to add in blog, we can add the text and we can add the media from the Google. We can download the photographs, we can download the video from the Google, and that particular things can be created on a blogger. So after that, adding contact form. So we are like this is a content. So whenever we are creating some post or we are publishing any post on a blogger, so we have to fill a form for that particular thing. For example, as I am working on a Python, so before starting with a Python, if I have given you a test on a Python, before starting that particular test, you have to add the name, roll number, class on the online page, web page. Then you can start the test. So we can say that we have to adding contact form, so that a particular phone number, class, name, roll number, that can be inserted as a adding contact form. Or we can add the web page contact. For example, if we are creating a page on blogger for education, so we can create our channel name, we can give the phone number also there. So these things can be done by adding a contact form. Then it comes inserting the link. Link means URL, Uniform Resource Locator. As we have a number of links on a particular topics, so we can add in blogger links with a blogger. We can add a number of links on a blogger in the description. As we are using a YouTube also, if we have to upload any video on the YouTube, we have to insert the title name, and after title name there comes a description. So we can use the we can insert the links related to that particular advertisement on a blogger. Then it comes a proofread writing. What is a preferred writing, or we can say that a preferred writing. Preferred means or a grammatical check. Preferred writing. So what is that? That can be like if we are typing some words on a blogger, that particular words can be used, can be checked by the English grammatical. That it will check the spellings as well as the grammar that you are typing on a blogger. So this option is used for a preferred writing. Then it comes a previewing the post. Whatever the post we have added on a blogger, that particular post can be viewed by a number of users who are connected with us on a blogger. So we can say that previewing the post means the post can be viewed by a number of users at the same time or at the day after, yesterday or a day after a post we have created on a blogger. So the post can be previewed by a number of users. Then it comes as setting the status option. As when we are creating a post on a blogger, we have to verify, we have to go through with the number of settings. That is, there are number of settings on a blogger, that as in Facebook also or a YouTube, we have to share a public, want to share our post publicly, private. So we can do that from the setting that we want to share our post from the blogger publicly or privately. So then it comes up the various links. There is a options of a font, there is a options of a color, there is a option of a theme. All these options can be used by using the setting status option in the blogger. So we can use the setting status option in a blogger for creating a web page blogs. So all these things is about a blogs. We can use a blog while online and offline. So I hope you all will understand this very easily, and please revise it at your home also. Maintain a notes on blogs, as this unit 1 session 5 and 6 will come in your examination also. So I want all you to please create a notes on this web page bloggers and a offline or a online blogger. I have done with the session 5 and session 6 both covered with this web page bloggers. So I want you all to please subscribe my channel so that it motivates me to make more videos. As I want you all to please revise it at your home also. Be safe and stay home. Take care.